Today I'm going to be breaking down the figures of one of my latest rent-to-rent deals that is currently making £800 cash flow every single month, and we've locked in for 5 years, meaning I might expect to see around £40,000 worth of profit cash flow over that duration. So I saw this property on the open market for £1,200 and I went and viewed it and realised I could get 4 lettable rooms. At £550 per room, my total income was calculated at £2,200. Now, the first thing I always do is pay myself first. So I took 550, which is the average room rate, and I timesed it by 1.5. So that gave me £825 cash flow. Great. Next, I deducted £100 per person per month for utilities, water, internet, TV license, cleaner, insurances, and council tax. That left me with a total of £975, which, as you can see, was £225 less than the landlord needed. So, I didn't want to offend them, so I decided to make it into the thousands at least, take a little bit less cash flow and offered £1,000, but for guaranteed rent for 5 years. After a little bit of back and forth, they were reluctant, we ended up agreeing at £1,000 per month for 5 years based on the fact that they was tired and didn't want the hassle, and I would do all the management and maintenance of that property. That's going to make me £800 a month for the next 5 years.